distributor.
Pretty good looking steak. A little thin than usual, didn't really like it, but I'll probably get 2 of these. It's enough for 1 each. Damn, we should do ads for KFC.
Did someone say KFC?
Ooh.
I don't care. I love it.
No, it's fine, it's fine. Maybe add a little bit at the bottom. Maybe it's too hot. Turn it off first.
Oh, it's good color.
Thoughts?
Need more honey.
Need more honey?
More honey.
Oh,
More honey.
more honey?
More honey.
Let's add more honey. Whoa! Whoa! Damn!
Oh, the ants are gonna come, bro.
Oh shit! Ooh, look at you, Chef Zengas. It's smoking. Let's go. Put it in.
Oh shit, I was only timing the steak.
I'm gonna add some pork right in there. noodle.
Good?
Oh, that's kind of spicy.
Yeah?
Not spicy, but
How is it?
do you buy the pork crackling?
Yeah.
It's fucking delicious.
Out of all the things I made, you said pork crackling is good.
Sauce we need. What's this? Wow, what a feast.
I think it should be okay. Why do you look like that? What?
Rice is big.
Wait. Should I do this? Me too. 50 grams. Ooh. Doesn't need something on top, this fish.
Here.
Thank you. Honey butter bread. Oh, that looks so good. Pick. You can use my cup now for tea if you want. I'm not even kidding.
All down, beer hang. All down.
Good? Cleaned it.
Why do you always do that?
It's my favorite opening.
Why?
Like, I like to make the most out of my pawns by
Pushing it.
moving in two pieces. If I only move it in one piece, I feel like it's a waste.
But I think for you don't really like castle.
Yeah, like
You rarely castle.
you castle pretty early.
These are just beef ribs, and I just boiled it so we don't have to cook it over here. It's pretty soft. I think I cooked it for like 3 hours.
You don't mind skin, right?
Looks like you're on a cooking show now.
Really?
So you're doing a cooking class.
Oh, no. Hey, I really...
Just the mate. Who got check? Oh, Justice moving up. He's moving up. Do the down.
Stop the chair. Move the swap.
Good game. Good game.
Oh wow, what an upgrade.
New day, new chair.
My chair anyway. I don't mind it. I think I want to go left. Kay's Beach.
Case Beach is to the right.
Oh, right. Sorry.
It looks so hot. And it is so hot.
Huh?
Are we going this way?
Walk along with me. I just want to see what's down there.
Oh, okay.